But first tonight, we begin with a gruesome scene on a local farm. Animals found mutilated, even killed. Good evening to you. I'm Cherie Palello.
And I'm Mike Dardis. Just horrific. And we want to warn you that this story is very graphic. The owners made this discovery. Tonight, deputies are asking for help. They're trying to find, of course, the people who did it. WLWT News 5's Karen Johnson leading the way on this story. She's live on Gray Road in Butler County near State Line Road, right near the Indiana border with our big story. Karen?
And I know you said it, I just want to warn viewers again that these pictures are very graphic. 10 animals total, either killed or injured. Now these right here, these are some of the ones that survived, but some of them, 4 of them, are walking around with gashes to their bodies. That little lamb right there has a huge gash to his legs. Horses were injured also. Meat Buck, this horse has spent the last few days recovering from a stab wound. The side of his face slit open.
It's just really scary to think that there are people capable of hurting animals.
Brittany Kolb's other horse, Paint, in even worse condition.
From his jaw here down the length of his neck, about 16 inches, he has a gash that is, I mean, it's very, very bad.
Kolb says her typically good-natured show horse is now terrified.
Emotional scars for him will probably be lasting, and physical ones definitely.
4 sheep were also hurt, including this lamb that nearly had its leg cut off, and 4 others killed. It looks as if someone mutilated them with a hatchet.
That is so wide, and it looks like they've just been, you know, hitting them like that with an axe or something, especially them horses.
Kolb's family made the gruesome discovery Saturday night on their farm in Riley Township. They also discovered batteries from farm equipment had been stolen.
I mean, it's just really unbelievable. I mean, really unbelievable.
This afternoon, investigators with the Butler County Sheriff's Office showed up to investigate this crime that has this rural Butler County neighborhood spooked.
It just makes me question what you would do to a human being.
So thankfully we do. And if you look around here in Riley Township, there aren't much houses around, and Brittany tells me she knows all of her neighbors, so she cannot figure out who or why anyone would be this cruel. Reporting live tonight in Riley Township, Karen Johnson, WLWT News 5.
No, Karen, thank you. If you know anything at all about this crime, call the Butler County Sheriff's Office.